Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show. Today we're going to make Puerto Rican beans.
Whole food, plant-based, it's the best thing for our taste. So pull up a chair and grab a plate, 'cause it's the all-free whole food plant-based cooking show.
Okay, so let's just get right into it. I've got my burner preheated here, and I'm going to put just 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, because we're going to water saute instead of using oil. Oil is not necessary. Water will do just exactly the same thing, and it's 0 fat. So I have 1 onion and 3 cloves of garlic here that we'll start. So this is a delicious recipe. I just saw a picture of it online and I thought, wow, that looks really delicious. And then I tried it and I was just blown away how simple it is and how packed with flavor it is. Now we're gonna put in our peppers. I have half of green bell pepper and half red bell pepper. Get those all frying together. And then the spices I have here, I've got black pepper, coriander, turmeric, oregano, cumin, and smoked paprika, and then a bay leaf. And I'll have the ingredients list in the details below. But it's about 1/4 teaspoon for the pepper, coriander, turmeric, and oregano, and 1 teaspoon for the paprika, smoked paprika, and cumin. And then just 1 bay leaf. So we're just going to sprinkle that on and get that coated onto the vegetables. And it's always good to put your spices in like this while your onions and stuff are frying, so that the spices can fry a little bit. It actually brings out some of the flavor and intensifies the flavor a bit. So we want to get that really going first. And then I have 2 diced potatoes, and I left the skins on mine because they're organic potatoes, but if they're not organic potatoes, I would suggest peeling it off. But I like to have the skins on to get a little more nutrition in there, and it just, it gives it a little more texture. And I have here just a few pickled jalapeños from the jar. It's just going to give it a little bit of spiciness. You can also use fresh jalapeños, but they are quite a bit spicier, so you might want to just try a little and maybe add some to the end if you want to make it spicier. And I have here some tomato paste. So we're going to put about 1/4 cup of tomato paste. That's going to create the sauce. Stir that into it too. Actually, we'll just leave it. We'll let these cook a little bit. And then what I have here, I have 1 pound of dry beans that I've already cooked. And these are pinto beans. You can use any other kind of bean that you like, but I really like the flavor of the pinto beans in here. It's really soft and creamy. So this is a 1 pound bag of pinto beans. And I like to use my Rancho Gordo beans, which I'll give you a link in the description below. They're just a great company, and their beans are the most delicious beans I've ever had. But if you only have canned, you could use, it's about 4 to 5 cans of beans. So we're just going to pour it in all together. With our potatoes too. And we're just going to stir it up. And then I have a cup of water here. We need a little bit of water. You could use vegetable broth if you want to. I just didn't have any vegetable broth on me today, because that is going to get everything, it's going to give you a nice sauce. It's going to get those flavors all melding together. Okay. Now I'm going to cover this and let it cook for about 20 minutes, and then we'll check it. Okay guys, here's the moment of truth. Let's look at this. Oh, look at that steamy goodness. My goodness. The only thing you have to do is take out the bay leaf and get rid of that. It's not really nice to chomp into that. But look at this beautiful, colorful I just have to take one bite out of the pan. That is so delicious. You are going to love this one. I love it. So if you want to check out more of my recipes, you can check out the link to my website below. And also the full recipe will be in the details below. And I'll see you next time.